At Grease Lightning Oven Cleaning, we provide professional, commercial and domestic oven cleaning in Hampshire, Surrey, parts of Berkshire, West Sussex and parts of South London. We clean all ovens, hobs, extractors, ranges, grills and microwaves, as well as commercial ovens and even barbecues. Our fully trained technicians use state-of-the-art equipment. This involves a heated soak tank, allowing all removable oven parts to undergo this treatment, removing grease and carbon deposits. Combining this with a manual clean from our trained technicians will assure your satisfaction in our work. We thoroughly clean the hob rings by hand, whilst the hob stands soak in our dipping system. Using modern oven cleaning equipment and advanced techniques, our non-toxic and non-caustic approach guarantees to restore your appliance to its original condition. We are proud to offer fixed, honest pricing. Call today for a free, no-obligation quote for the ultimate in domestic and commercial oven cleaning.